Talisha, not feeling. Hey, why is Shamini? Come here. No. Come.
What is this?
Traffic light.
Huh?
Traffic light.
Traffic light. Okay. So which color tells what?
Red light stop. Yellow light red lady. Green light go.
Okay. Ankit? What is this signal?
Please, no horn, please.
What is this? What is this?
This is zebra crossing.
Why zebra crossing is used?
Zebra crossing is used for pedestrian.
Pedestrian. Very good. Arnav, can you say? What is this? What is this?
Kunta.
This one.
Traffic lights.
Traffic lights. Very good. So which color tells what?
Red light says stop. Yellow light says get ready. Green light says go.
Okay, very good. Shamridhi, can you tell me what signal is there in front of hospital?
No, please horn. No horn zone.
No horn?
No horn zone.
No horn zone. Very good.
What is this?
Dettol.
Keep it. What is this?
Antiseptic cream.
Next.
Cotton.
Next.
Boiling. Scissor. Bandage. Band-aid. Red medicine.
Where is the zebra crossing?
This is the zebra crossing.
What is the use of the zebra crossing?
To cross the road.
Okay. Where is the traffic signals?
This is the traffic signal.
What does the traffic signals say?
Red light says stop. Yellow light says red light says stop. Yellow light says get ready, and green light says go.
Very good. Okay. What is this?
This is no horn, please.
Very good. What is this?
This is
Pedis.
pedestrian crossing.
Very good. What does the beside this signal? What is that?
This is the hospital.
And beside the pedestrian signal, what is that?
This is bus stand.
Okay. Very good. Well and good.